Tanya and Val, this is a landmark decision that paves the way for Illinois to become the first state in the nation to eliminate cash bail. The 5-2 vote comes 6 months after the state Supreme Court itself halted this particular provision of the Safety Act from taking effect in response to legal challenges that had been filed against it. The Pretrial Fairness Act, as it is known, was the most controversial part of the Safety Act that was signed by Governor J.B. Pritzker 2 years ago. Opponents of the provision saying that the legislature had overreached and violated the Constitution, while supporters say the practice of imposing a cash bail has led to countless people remaining incarcerated simply because they cannot afford to pay. The new bail rules were supposed to take effect this past January the 1st. Courts across the state will now have 2 months to get ready for them to go into effect.
Courts are going to put together a process by which they will be focusing on criteria that they've already been focusing on. What is the risk to the public? What is the risk of flight? What is the nature of the offense? What is the dangerousness of the defendant? These are all questions that had already been in play, and now they will very much be in play.
Governor Pritzker saying in a statement today, we can now move forward with historic reform to ensure pretrial detainment is determined by the danger an individual poses to the community instead of by their ability to pay their way out of jail. On the opposing side, Kankakee County State's Attorney Jim Rowe issued his own statement that reads in part, while this ruling is disappointing and the act terribly detrimental to public safety, we must abide by the decision and will continue to do our best to serve the people of Kankakee County. Now, again, the elimination of cash bail does not take effect immediately. The High Court giving local courts until September the 18th to make the changes. Live in the newsroom, I'm Michelle Gallardo, ABC7 Eyewitness News. Tanya, back to you.
Watch breaking news on YouTube. Subscribe to ABC7 Chicago Eyewitness News.